This drawing is from Kafnur. He drew Obito from Naruto. I used special tool liquify pen to change the shape of some areas of this drawing. The head looks so long, so I shortened it a little. I also fix his lips. And his eyes too. Then I move it closer because the head looks distorted. I gonna add shadows, so I add multiply layer. I pick color in this areas. I will add shadows and color it black and white, because it looks boring and flat. And shadows is also important in Glowart because, if there's a light, there's a shadows. I'll color the part where there is a shadow. Here's the result of adding shadows. It's much better. Now, let's turn off the lights. I think I need to add another color. I add a little violet color to Havia extra color. In this overlay layer, I gonna color the Sharingan and Rinnegan. It's time to glow those eyes. I gonna use airbrush normal to glow his eyes. Just like that. It's time to add the light source. I just import this transparent thing cause I'm lazy. I gonna put it here. Next, I'll change the color to purple cause I want to. Don't ask me why. It's much better this way, trust me. Then I'm gonna add some lighter using airbrush. I also add light source at his back. I also add glow here. Now, I gonna add lightings on the part where the lights landed. Lastly, I add details on this eye and after that it's done. Hope you enjoy this video.